Generating business ideas is a skill, not luck. The aim is quantity first, quality second. You need many ideas to find a great one. Idea generation techniques. Problem hunting. List things that annoy you, your friends, your colleagues this week. Steal like an artist. Find a working business model elsewhere and apply it locally or to a new niche. Combine two industries, fitness plus accountability apps, cleaning plus subscription, food plus delivery. The 100 ideas exercise. Write 100 ideas without judging. The first 30 will be obvious. The last 30 will surprise you. Scamper. Substitute. Combine. Adapt. Modify. Put to other use. Eliminate. Reverse. Opportunity spotting habits. Carry a notebook or notes app for problems you observe. Listen for the phrases, "I wish someone would," and "Why is this still so hard?" Watch what people already pay for. That's where real demand lives. Try this. Generate 5 business ideas based on real needs in your local area, your workplace, or an online community you're part of. Don't filter, just list.